Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Walmart business account. Many Walmart business account application fail not because of eligibility, but because people enter incomplete or mismatch organization details. In this video, I will show you the correct screen by screen way to apply so your Walmart business account get approved. I am not sharing shortcut or trick. I am showing you exactly how Walmart business sign up work and what you must enter correctly to avoid rejection. Here they are asking for enter your business email to sign in or create account. I am using my Outlook to show you how to create account. Now Walmart verifying you as a account owner. Enter your first name, a valid business email, and create a strong valid password. After creating that, you can continue this one. Walmart send a verification code to your Gmail. Enter that verification code here. This step where most rejection happen. Walmart is asking for your legal organization detail. Enter your organization name exactly as it exists legally. EIN number that belongs to this organization. Check I am sole proprietor only if this EIN is tied to sole proprietorship. Organization phone number, organization street address, all information must be consistent and real. Walmart review application to confirm the organization exists, the EIN matches the organization name, the address matches official record. Approval depend on accuracy, not speed. After submitting, approval can be instant or may take some time for review. Do not apply or submit again unless Walmart contacts you. This video is for educational purpose only. Always your own legal organization detail when applying. In the next video, I will explain what to do after approval and how to properly use Walmart business account. Subscribe and comment Walmart business if you want next part.